How to download Udemy videos. So if you want to download Udemy videos, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Udemy, and after searching here you will have www.udemy.com. You can click on that and make sure to log into your account, and after logging in, now you can simply scroll down and choose any course that you would like to download. So I'll be choosing this one. So simply tap on that video, and after selecting the video, now you can go for the upper right corner which has that three dots icon, and then go for more tools, and under more tools you will have developer tools option on the last. You can click on developer tools, and here make sure that you're on the network option, and under network make sure to click on this media option, and after choosing that you can reload your page, and after that here you will have the video, right? Simply right click on that video and then click on open in new tab, and here you will have the video. Simply go for the three dots which is on the bottom right of your screen, and here you will have download option. Simply click on download, and now it's being downloaded. So that's it. Now you can simply go for show in folder, and here you will have the video. So that's it. That's how you download Udemy videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.